ElevenLabs just announced their new free text-to-sound effect API on X. It's also completely open source and allows you to upload any video and create sound effects for it. All you have to do is upload your video and ElevenLabs will analyze its contents and create sound effects to match your content. And ElevenLabs claims that this only takes 15 seconds to do. Here are some examples ElevenLabs has shared.
Whether it's for a bottle smashing, a motorcycle racing through the street, or bringing to life your favorite meme.
Navigate on your browser to this website, and because it's completely open source, you have the GitHub link on the right-hand corner if you want to deep dive into that further. It's very easy. All you have to do is just click on upload a video and let ElevenLabs do the rest. I've taken my own examples from previous videos that I've created and uploaded them to try it out. So this one is one that is an aerial view of a shot of a cloaked figure elevating in the night sky between skyscrapers. When you upload your video to ElevenLabs sound effects website, you're presented with 4 different options. So let's take a listen and see how they are. Let's listen to the next one. So it's very cool that ElevenLabs gives you a few different sound effects to choose from. At this point, you would just select the one that you like best. You would download it. For this next one, it's a detective walking down a dark street with a car driving through, and it's supposed to be film noir. Let's take a listen. Definitely the third one and the fourth one is best. The first two had a lot of static to them, but overall I feel like ElevenLabs does a good job. This one was a prompt from a previous video where I was trying to create a close-up of 2 pirate ships battling each other inside of a cup of coffee. This was originally a prompt that Sora had used. You can see how ElevenLabs did with this. Not too much variation in these 4, given that it was supposed to be a ship sailing at sea. Let's see how it did on some other videos. So this one is an astronaut running through an alley in Rio de Janeiro. It was almost as if for this one they're trying to combine some of the space sounds. In some of them there's just this random guy talking in the background. But let's go on to the next one. So this was another Sora prompt. There was a movie trailer featuring an adventurer and a spaceman again, wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet and vivid colors around. Let's see how this does. Definitely felt like the fourth one is the one that does it for me. It seems the most consistent with the video. Gone are the days where we have to search websites endlessly for sound effects that make sense. Now all you have to do is upload a video and AI will take care of the rest. The only thing I would caution is I wouldn't recommend uploading videos with your image or with your family's image just yet. But if you're looking to learn more about what AI has to offer, I have content popping up that you can click on right here.